Welcome back to Instru-Met. Today we're going to be showing you guys the digital load cell conditioners that we have for sale. Now, if you come to the front of the box, you'll see we have a 6-digit load display that displays the current load on your cell. On the top of the box, we have a 0 button and a cal button. The 0 button pushes down once to zero the load, and the cal button, when pressed, applies either a single leg or double leg shunt to your load cell for calibration. Moving over to the load cell, on these boxes we have it hooked up to connect to an Instron standard 15-pin load cell, but we can set these up for whatever kind of load cell configuration you might have. On the back we also have an analog out, which features a 16-bit plus or minus 10 or 5 volt in unipolar and bipolar operation, and these are great for hooking up to either chart recorders or data acquisition units. Now when it comes to calibrating these guys, again we have the option of using a push button cal to apply a shunt, or you can enter a calibration factor in the front of the meter, which is essentially a millivolts per volt. For more information about these digital load cell signal conditioners, contact us or visit our website.